Guys, to another video. Today I got another bird. The first one is pistachio, the second one is sky, the blue one is sky. This one pistachio because he's green and another color. This one is white and blue and black. You can see it's super stormy. And apple. There's some lettuce. Don't eat too much. Lettuce is there. You can see this is the birds. Close up shot on pistachio. It's kind of hard. Yes. This is kind of hard, guys. So I'm just gonna zoom in. I'm recording you. Perfect. Yeah, guys, that's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it.